Hi there, Tabitha Roach here, excited to share some new releases of activity books and my 2 activity book picks for summertime boredom busters. Okay, so first up, a new release, Pencil and Paper Games. The pages actually rip out, and each one on front and back has lots of fun just games that they can do with paper and pencil. They're going to highly recommend just having that with you at all times. Whether you're waiting or traveling, you never know when you're going to need it. Step-by-step drawing activity pack is great. It comes with a nice little case for kids, and kids love to draw. So this is kind of like their drawing pack. It has step-by-step drawing animals, step-by-step drawing people, and the step-by-step drawing book. You can see that they give space for them to practice their drawing skills and step-by-step illustrations and instructions for learning how to draw those things. And it also comes with my drawing book, which is like a mini little sketchbook for them. And this can be a nice little keepsake for you to remember all those cute drawings at that age. Magic Painting book is fairly new, but it is fabulous. It is a very calming activity book. There's a magic little marker on the front. You just dip it in water. Easy, no mess, no paint stains. And just go over the little spaces and magic colors appear. And you can see here, it's going to take them forever to finish this book with such a calming, quiet activity. You'll love it. And yes, you're allowed to get one for yourself. Our Wipe Clean books are incredibly popular. Great way for young kids to learn and great for you because you can just erase everything and they can do it all over again because it comes with a dry erase marker and is a Wipe Clean activity book. We have dozens available, and our newest is Wipe Clean Pen Control, which is very important. A fun, unique, awesome new book is called This Is Not a Math Book. It is actually a drawing book, but it incorporates math in it in a very fun and silly way. Whether you're a math whiz or a daring doodler, this book is your graphic guide to smart art. From circles to angles to 3D drawings, it's really quite brilliant. I highly recommend that for all school-age kids. Now, if you know Usborne, you know that Usborne creates the most brilliant sticker books ever. I mean, we have hundreds of sticker books available. So some of the newest, 1001 Thanks to Spot. We have several in this series now as also sticker books. So it is a seek and find book. So here you would find 9 yellow life jackets. Well, all the pictures look the same because you need once they find those 9 life jackets, they would find the sticker that goes with it and put the sticker on so they know that they have completed the entire book. So much fun. C is the newest one. This is a fairly new release. It's just one of my favorites. The Big Dressing Up sticker book has so much in it, from dressing up in costumes to going to different events and in different weather. Great for those critical thinking skills in deciding, well, what should they wear? What goes with what outfit or what event or what costume? Lots of great stickers that'll last quite a while. Now, we have dozens and dozens of sticker dressing books, whether with the boy characters or with the girl characters. These are our newest, and I love that in a lot of these sticker dressing books, there is so much information. So like in wartime fashion, they're going to learn actually a lot about the different wartime periods in history. New are our fashion designer books. We have a lot of the fashion designer like clothing books, and now home designer. Yes, you're allowed to want this and get this for yourself, which is so much fun with lots of great creating and designing to do. Finally, my 2 activity picks for summer activity, but also learning. So we have a great series of Write Your Own Storybooks, from Write Your Own Storybooks, Write Your Own First Storybooks, Write Your Own Adventure Stories, and Write Your Own and Draw Your Own Comics. This is a great way to get children thinking and writing and creating over summer. Kids love comics, so they really love this one. But we also have a couple new ones that are super cool. And these are great keepsakes as well. You're going to love holding on to those and just remembering the different creative thinking that they did that summer. And finally, Art Treasury belongs in every home library. It is not just great for summer, it is great for all year round. You will love having this. It's an art history book. It has a famous piece of art with history about that piece of art and that artist. And the following page is a project using similar skills. There's a great variety of art and projects throughout this book that you will just absolutely love, and kids of all ages can do these different projects. Highly recommend. Happy reading and creating this summer.